stop. Just for a second. What if your pain is actually proof that Allah loves you? What if everything breaking you right now is actually building you? We always think Allah's love is shown through comfort, through success, and through everything going smoothly. But sometimes the deepest form of His love is hidden in delay, in loss, and in the things you don't understand right now. Just because life feels heavy doesn't mean Allah has left you. Sometimes the weight you are carrying is shaping your strength, and the silence you are feeling is not abandonment. It is preparation for something you cannot see yet. If you are feeling this right now, don't skip this. It's important to understand. Allah says in the Qur'an, indeed, Allah does not allow the reward of the doers of good to be lost. Every moment you stayed patient, every tear you cried alone, every time you chose faith over giving up, none of it is forgotten. Not even a single moment is wasted. You may think no one understands the battles you fight when the lights go out, but Allah sees what you hide from the world. He sees the nights your pillow was soaked in tears while you pretended to be fine. He sees the words you swallowed and the prayers you couldn't even put into sentences. He values every silent effort you made, every time you chose to be kind while your own heart was breaking. To the world, it's invisible. To Allah, it is everything. Allah says in the Qur'an, and those who strive for us, we will surely guide them to our ways. So even your struggle is not random. It is being guided, step by step, towards something meaningful. Don't look at your hardship as punishment. Look at it as divine molding. Sometimes Allah delays what you want, not to deny you, but to protect you from a version of success you aren't ready for yet. He is letting you wait, so that when the blessing finally arrives, you have the heart strong enough to carry it without losing yourself. You are not being forgotten. You are being guided. And even if the canvas looks messy and the colors look dark right now, trust the hand of the artist. Trust that Allah is writing a story for you that is far more beautiful and peaceful than anything you could have imagined. Hey, if you believe that not a single second of your patience has been wasted, comment, "My patience was not wasted," and share this with someone who feels tired today. Stay blessed, always.